husband got me a flower, and we've been looking for a flower vase to buy, and I've not been able to buy one. So I decided to make a flower vase with a plastic bottle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this place open with the scissors. Then I'll use my zigzag scissors to cut the opening. I'll use the blade to cut the label of the water bottle. I don't want people to know my secret, so it's very simple. This is best from waste, avoiding wastage and also recycling items. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug my hot glue gun. This is glitters. It will dry and become permanent. I'm putting hot glue gun on the lines and adding glitters. This is glitters, and I'm applying it on the glue, on the wax, so that it will dry together with the wax. The goal is to cover the imperfections, to make it look as though it's an artwork. Is it fine? Are you videos?